Hey there, folks. All right, so it's getting around Christmas time again, and every year, Pappy over at the Tri-Goggling YouTube channel has memberships for his channel, and every year he, for his members, he sends out a little thank you Christmas dealio. So this is that. Let's see what we got here, eh? Again, I'll leave a link in the description to Pappy's channel, the Tri-Goggling. And so every year, like I said, he just sends out a little thank you appreciation. And what we got here? Awesome. Yeah, check out Pappy. He does a lot of railfan videos, and he's also does some model railroading stuff. And even the occasional slot cars, which all three that I'm into. So let's see what we got this year. So every year it's an ornament, and this year's ornament is 3D printed. Wow, is that beautiful, eh? Cool. There we go. That's his YouTube channel, Tri-Goggling. Wow, that's a nice print. I'll have to ask if he printed these or who he had print them, but yeah, that's nice. Cool. All right, man. Hey, thanks, Pappy. Appreciate you, bud. And yep, thanks for the ornament, man. And Merry Christmas to you and yours.